is a very simple tool that fetches the events in your Google Calendar to your Google Sheet. Every Google Calendar has a calendar ID. You can enter that ID over here. If you do not enter anything, it takes your default Google Calendar, which for most of the time it's okay to use the Google default Google Calendar of your account. You can select what is the start date that you want to have. For example, I want to have from 1st of July 25 to today, and today is 30th of July 25. And go to calendar and create fetch event. This fetches all the details, start date, end date, time, end time, title, description, blah, blah, blah. Next time, if I want to fetch again, I can decide if I want to reset the entire page and fetch it, or I simply append it. So if I click on fetch event again, maybe you change the date and then fetch it, it fetches the data. And in this way, you can keep on populating your Google Sheet with the events in your Google Calendar.